All right, guys, you asked for a video, and here we go. So if my voice is really, really bad, then I apologize. You know I'm sick. All right, quiz study guide for tomorrow's quiz. This is obviously optional. I've said this before, but I really highly recommend you practice. So here we go. We'll check the answer key as we go, by the way. So number one, these are both in standard form, and we need to solve by graphing. In order to graph, we need both of these equations to be in slope-intercept form. So let's start with this first guy. We are going to be subtracting 2x to the other side. So 3y equals negative 2x minus 3, and then divide every number by 3. So y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1. And then the other equation is very simple to put into slope-intercept form. All I need to do is subtract the 4x. So minus 4x plus 9. All right, so to graph both of these, I don't know, let's do different colors. Let's start with the one that's negative 4x plus 9. Y-intercept is at 9. I need to go down 4 and over 1. Down 4 and over 1. And down 4 over 1. So that should be good enough. I'm going to do my best to... Okay, obviously that was not very straight, but I think it serves its purpose for what we need to do here. So the other one, y-intercept, negative 1. The slope is down 2 and over 3, so down 2 over 3. Oh, hey, look, right there. Let me do one more. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Okay. So remember, the solution for a system is where the two lines intersect. So that would be right here. So this solution is, let me see, 3, negative 3. Okay. Number 2. They're both already in slope-intercept form. Lucky us. So I should just take a minute here. First equation, y-intercept is at negative 3. And the slope is 3 over 1. So up 3 over 1. Make a few points. The more points, the more accurate your lines will be. Nope, that's too bad. Better. Hold on a second. What's up? I'm recording a video for you guys. You can come in and look. Come on. Close the door behind you.
We're just gonna stay and talk.
Okay. All right. So we'll continue this. All right, the other one is at 6. Down 3, 1, 2, 3. Wait, whoa, I lost count. 1, 2, 3. Over 2, there it is. And ta-da! Okay, so this one's at 2, 3. Good enough. All right, substitution. I don't have a lot of space. This wasn't intended to be done on the paper itself, so I figure 2 graphing examples, and I'll do 2 substitution examples. I probably shouldn't do number 3 because I think number 3 is probably like the easy one for you guys. 3x minus 23, that's y, so you'll plug it in right here for y and do your substitution. So I think that one's pretty easy. So let's do number 5. For number 5, we need one of the equations solved for x or y. Again, a lot of you guys always want to do y, but I want you to realize that solving for x is totally fine as well. So in the first equation here, it'd be a lot easier to just add 3y to the other side, and then it's just solved for x. And then you can take this, and if it equals x, this time I'm going to substitute in for x. So this will be 4 times x plus 8y equals 16. And then you can go in and substitute the 3y plus 4. So we'll distribute and solve 8y, 16. Okay, so 12y and 8y is going to be 20y, and subtracting 16 is going to make this equal to 0. Again, that does not mean no solution. Divide by 20, and 0 divided by anything is 0. So if y is 0, we're going to go back up here. 3 times y is 0, so 3 times 0 is 0, plus 4. So x is 4. So this answer is 4, 0. Okay, one more. Doesn't really matter to me. Number 4 turns out to be infinite, so why not? Let's do number 4. All right, number 4. We need to put this into slope-intercept form, solve it for y. So adding x to the other side. And then that's y equals, so we're going to take that and plug it in for y. And I'm going to be doing my work down here under number 6. Don't get confused, though, because it's still number 4. Here, if that helps, I don't know. Draw an arrow. So 3x minus 3y equals negative 15. X plus 5. So 3x minus 3x minus 15 is negative 15. 3x minus 3x, I think that's pretty obvious what happens there. And negative 15 equals negative 15. That is a true statement. So when that happens, infinite solutions. Okay, so out of these 6 problems, I have done 4 in this video. That leaves you guys with number, let me see, 3 and 6. So again, try 3 and 6 on your own. There is an answer key so you can check your work. If you have questions,